Welcome to CJWinter How-To video series. Here at CJWinter, we provide better tools, fast delivery, great service, and value.
Continue adjusting the pitch diameter knob until you reach the high side of the pitch tolerance, or until the go gauge starts. At this time, you are now ready to adjust the penetration rate. Refer to your instruction manual, section 4.4, to determine the recommended number of revs. Depending upon the material and thread that you are rolling, most threads can be rolled in a range of 8 to 15 revs. The ideal situation is to roll the thread as fast as possible while still filling the dies consistently. Always keep in mind that different materials move at different rates, so several variations will be found in this area. Run the machine through a complete cycle and observe the part closely.